Windows 11 Home vs Pro differences. Which Windows edition should I get? As we all know, each Windows version will release a few different editions for users to choose. Most users think of these editions as Home and Pro, which can be installed on your computer. But what are the differences between Windows 11 Home vs Pro? Which one should you choose? Keep moving. Compare Windows 11 Home vs Pro. Major differences. As the name says, Pro Edition is for professionals and Home Edition is suitable for personal use. Let's go through the details of the major differences. But Windows 11 Pro supports setting up with a local account. Of course, you can find some ways to set up your Windows 11 Home with local account, but it is not recommended by Microsoft. Compared with Windows 11 Pro, this feature seems annoying for Windows 11 Home users. Windows 11 Home vs Pro. Setting up. When you set up your Windows 11, you will find the first difference between Windows 11 Home and Pro. For Windows 11 Home users, you need to set up your Microsoft account with internet connection. On the other side, there is another feature Windows 11 Pro supports, but Windows 11 Home does not. Windows 11 Pro users can join Active Directory, which is used to configure access to some resources and deploy apps. Just like Active Directory, Group Policy is also included in Windows Pro. Both of them are usually used by professionals. Windows 11 Home vs Pro. Protection. Windows 11 Pro is set with some extra security features. If you usually deal with sensitive information, you are recommended to choose this Windows 11 Pro. BitLocker device encryption is supported in Windows 11 Pro, which can help you encrypt the data stored in the hard drive and forbid others access. Even your computer is stolen, these data can be accessed by others. Windows 11 Pro also supports Windows Information Protection, which is a data loss prevention tool. It can stop data leak from your company. For example, the data can't be sent outside of the company. Of course, you can also choose third parties to enhance your data protection. Compared with third parties, Windows Information Protection is built in Windows 11, which can provide better experience. Moreover, the business data and personal data can be separated in Windows 11 Pro. If your computer is stolen, you can remotely remove the business data while having no influence on your personal data. Windows 11 Home vs Pro. Performance, CPU, and RAM. Another major difference between Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Pro is the maximum RAM and CPU. Both of them run on the computer with the same minimum system requirements. But the maximum system requirements are different. Windows 11 Home only has one CPU socket. So, there is only one CPU on Windows 11 Home. And Windows 11 Home can support 64 CPU cores at most, while Windows 11 Pro can support 128 CPU cores at most. Moreover, Windows 11 Home only supports 128 GB RAM, while Windows 11 Pro can support 2 TB at most. It seems that no matter CPU or RAM, Windows 11 Pro will have better performance. However, Windows 11 Home can satisfy your requirement if you are only personal users. Because even the advanced gaming PCs have no need of such big RAM until now. You may know major difference between Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Pro. Of course, the differences between them are far more than we mentioned above. You can have a quick look all differences via the content below, which are the all differences between the two editions. Which Windows edition should I get? Now, you know the major differences between Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Pro. The problem which Windows edition should you get becomes easy. Except above differences, there is another major difference between them, that is the pricing. From the experience of Windows 10 Home versus Windows 10 Pro, the Windows 11 Pro edition will be more expensive than Windows 11 Home. So, if you have no business requirements, just need a computer for work, you are recommended to choose Windows 11 Home, which can totally satisfy your daily needs. For software and technology news, visit themisosoft.net. For more videos, subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.